Happy New Year, it's Jay Green. I'm gonna make you a classic cocktail called the Bee's Knees. The Bee's Knees is made with gin, lemon juice, and honey syrup. Those three ingredients. Real simple, real easy. That's my cocktail glass right there. I put a little water and ice in it. I'm gonna get it really cold, and when that's cold, I'm gonna throw out my ice and water, and then I'm gonna put my cocktail into that. I'm gonna put those into my shaker. I've got some ice in there right now, ready to go. I'm gonna pour in 1 ounce of fresh, organic lemon juice, freshly squeezed. I'm gonna use 2 ounces, 1, 2 ounces of Hendrick's gin. Then I'm gonna use ½ ounce of honey syrup. I'm gonna shake. Throw out the ice and water. The glass is really cold. Pour this cocktail in.